The RedMagic 11 Pro Plus is the latest flagship gaming smartphone from Nubia, combining extreme power, futuristic design, and advanced photography. Designed for gamers and creators alike. Hey, guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. Today we discuss RedMagic 11 Pro. Smartphone, let's go. It delivers a perfect balance of performance, aesthetics, and innovation. Built with a premium aluminum frame and a futuristic transparent back design, display 6.8-inch AMOLED, 165 Hz refresh rate, 1500 nits brightness, HDR10+. Processor, Qualcomm, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, customized for gaming. RAM and storage, up to 24 GB, LPDDR5X RAM, and 1 TB UFS 4.0 storage. Battery, 6500 mAh with 165 watt fast charging. 0-100% in under 20 minutes. Cooling, ICE 13.0 liquid plus air cooling system with active fan. Operating system, RedMagic OS 9.0, based on Android 15. Connectivity 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC and stereo DTS-X Ultra speakers. Main camera, 50 megapixel Sony IMX8 nano sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization. Captures stunning clarity and detail even in low light conditions with accurate color tones. Ultra-wide camera, 50 megapixel sensor with a 120-degree field of view. Perfect for landscapes, architecture, and group shots. Macro, depth sensor, 2 MAP secondary lens for close-up and portrait photography. Whether you're capturing cinematic footage, gaming at 165 Hz, or showing off its glowing design, the RedMagic 11 Pro Plus. So guys, this is fresh information. RedMagic 11 Pro Plus. I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will receive our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.